Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Section 307 IPC is not fallen under the definition of mortal turpitude stop, but the section 506 of the case are very small and the simple imprisonment stop. Therefore, it is abundantly and nor this offence is fallen under the category of moral turpitude and nor this case is belongs to government proceedings stop. This personal dispute with the appellant and on causing some simple injuries to the other person by the appellant stop. The Honorable Punjab and Haryana High Court, by reducing his imprisonment, has dispensed with remaining imprisonment only after undergoing 39 days imprisonment stop. The Honorable High Court has taken this matter as sympathetically. Therefore, in view of the above, I also by giving sympathy is hereby set aside the termination order and is hereby punishment for the appellant that he will be not given nothing for the suspension period and this period will be declared as this non-period stop. But this order, this appeal is disposed of stop. Being aggrieved by the order of the appellate authority, nothing that the appellant will not be given anything for the period of suspension and this period will be declared as dies non. A civil suit came to be instituted by the appellant illegal and arbitrary and against the rules and that he was entitled to full pay for the period that he had been denied the salary and benefits stop. He sought mandatory injunction to release the pay denied to him with 12% interest stop. Upon contest, the suit came to be decreed as follows as per my sequel of discussion on issue number 124 discussed above. The suit of the plaintiff is decreed to the effect that order extent whereby pay of the plaintiff has been denied are illegal, arbitrary and against the rules stop. However, it is made clear that the plaintiff is entitled to get salary which is denied by alleged orders but not of the period during which the plaintiff and undergo imprisonment stop. Decree sheet be prepared stop. File be consigned to record room after due compliance stop. The appeal by the respondent state was unsuccessful stop. This led to the second appeal from which the present appeals arise stop. The second appeal came to be allowed by the High Court stop. In the original judgment, the High Court has proceeded to find that the appellate authority has rightly found that respondent is not entitled to monetary benefit during the intervening period from the date of termination till reinstatement having regard to the conviction there being modification only in sentence stop. It was found that only a lenient view was taken by the appellate authority stop. It was in these circumstances, relying on Rule 7.3 of Punjab Civil Service Rules, hereinafter referred to as the rules, the court found that the trial court and the appellate court erred in not appreciating that the appellant was not acquitted in the criminal case and also that Rule 7.3 empowered the competent authority to pass appropriate order stop. Therefore, the second appeal was allowed, setting aside the judgments of the two courts stop.